Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about algebra, the topic that is about trigonometry. The topic we need to find the simplify of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have sine x, we need to do about factorization. Next, we do common denominator. So this one we multiply by 1 minus sine x on numerator and denominator. This one by 1 plus sine x. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative sine x, negative sine x. We have negative 2 sine x. So 1 plus sine x multiplied by 1 minus sine x, that is about 1 minus sine x squared. So we have the formula in here. So I will put sine x squared go to the right, and we have cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sine x squared. And now I will put this one equals to cosine x squared. Sine x, we have sine x squared. This one we have the formula in here. So this one we transform into this one, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.